Alright, hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the 6 principles of design. First, I'm going to start with the focal point emphasis. Areas of interest that provide emphasis, focal points, naturally draw attention of the viewer to an eye-catching piece of visual information. They come in any shape, size, or color. Emphasis makes specific elements of design stand out. So I added an example, the red square, the blue square, the larger blue square right here, and the emphasis on that yellow flower right there. Next we have contrast. Contrast can be very useful for creating focal points. It is an arrangement of lights versus dark colors and creates visual excitement. So the first example I provided was the black text on white and the white text on black, which are like contrasted, like box right here in the contrasted text. I guess contrast is also like lighting. Well, I mean, it is lighting, which is added right here. It's a little bit more grayer than this side, and I found this picture online, Mad Men, and you can see like the colors are like swapped and stuff like that. Next there's balance. A visual interpretation of gravity in design. It distributes weight in the areas of design piece, making it appear heavier or lighter. Balance can be distributed 3 ways: symmetrical, asymmetrical, and radial. Radial, yeah. Sorry. Okay, so here we have the Titanic. The line going down, and you see like where the ship's like symmetrical to the other side. There's asymmetrical, as it's like leaning like sideways, but the sides are not really mirrored. And then there's the radial. You can see the little bunny right here, and all the letters are like spaced out over there. Next, there's movement. Movement is known as a flow. It guides the viewer around the design in a certain direction. The flow and direction of lines help move the eyes across a page or screen. Here there's like I guess like a bunch of little lines in that box, and like they looks like they're kind of swerving like everywhere. There's a photograph here, like planes going in the same direction. I think it's a painting, not an actual photograph. And then there's this right here. I picked this one because it's an optical illusion, but it's giving that illusion that it's actually moving, like it's different directions. Like it looks like it's moving kind of side to side, kind of like inward also. Got rhythm and pattern. Got rhythm and pattern, a repeated pattern of movement or sound. It can also be repeated similar elements or shapes in a design piece. So here's a pattern of a design right here. Not too sure what this is, but I know it's a pattern. Here's a rhythm of circles there. As you can see, they're not really the same color, but the rhythms like they're all like kind of close together, and here's a pattern and a rhythm. I guess like it's like mouse cursors. Not too sure how you say that word, but yeah, I would consider that a rhythm. And lastly, we have unity. All elements in design that look like they belong together. It creates a visual to one or more elements in a design. So here we have like fish, and then they're like slowly coming into birds. And here's this famous one right here, Starry Night, I think that's what it's called. And we have these little monkeys right here. Alright, well, thank you all for watching. That's all.